Ooh, yeah, there's some scary noises in there.
We'll figure out that.
Doing a little motorcycle pickup. Just one service we offer here at Throttle Addiction.
At throttleaddiction.com.
A lot of people don't know we got a full service shop as well, led by this guy right here. I got my tiki torches. Ooh, yeah, there's some scary noises in there.
We'll figure out that.
Popped off the first time.
Yeah.
It was great.
Seemed happy.
Yeah, seemed happy. My wife was like, that's a beautiful sound. And then when I came back to start it 2 days later to make sure the battery was holding charge,
Sure.
it went and then bang, and that's what
something.
Beep, beep, beep. That's what happens when they sit for too long. They just become part of the scenery.
Link. Oh, going for it. All right, let's go for it, guys.
You immediately go to the worst thing in the world, right? I'm like, I threw a rod. I'm like, well, if that's the case, I'm just going to hang on to it and I'll chop it later.
I'll give you a call here today and
Oh, you guys
let
going to get to it today?
Yeah, I'll get it figured out at least, and then we'll go from there. Easy as that. Thank you very much.
A guy has just been giving me the hard press to trade that mini lathe for a snowmobile. Someone might say not the opportune time for a snowmobile trade, or they might say, well, that's a pretty good deal. He wanted to trade straight up an 04 Arctic Cat F6 600 with a trailer.
What?
And he's like, I'll be there by 5 today. So would I pay $1,000 for a snowmobile today?
With a trailer.
With a trailer.
I would say yes. Ooh, are those flames?
Get a load of that.
Look at that.
With a trailer.
Got her. I'd like to see Matt turn this into a chopper though.
Big old beggar chopper. Here I come. Here I come. I will sacrifice myself. Just give her the old roll down there, bud. Oh, sorry, I forgot to make motor noises.
Stack it up next to this other broke down shit.
That one's fixed, it just needs put back together. It does have this thing that says brake failure, brake failure, brake failure, but...
Well, that's it.
It's been sitting for 2 years.
So he's saying this thing's got some snot in her, huh?
Oh, it's got one of these sweet throttle locks. Have you seen these? I just installed one of these the other day. Cool.
That's abnormally loud. Did you put new gas in this thing? It stinks.
No, I didn't do anything.
I didn't do anything.
I fixed the battery.
Oh.
By fixed, I mean charged. Do you know where I could find a couple of tiki torches for this weekend?
I got a tiki guy. I mean, you never know when you might need to start the party.
Got it torn apart. I think we figured out what our terrible, terrible starter noise is. Between this guy here, got some missing teeth going on our starter ring gear there. The root cause here, our starter clutch has gone out, so it wasn't engaging and disengaging properly. And you might have just let her keep going for a while. So now we are going to tear it all apart, see if we can get it fixed up for him. Here she is, all wrapped up. I'm gonna give her a test start, see how everything works. See if we made Matt happy. It's alive! It's alive! No more clunkety clunkety. He kept the seat at home. It's just not very comfortable now. He's sitting on the battery.